Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So yeah, right now I look a little bit crazy, but I am about to do my hair. I got my mother to do up here from a style I saw on Pinterest, and now I have to go control all of this because I will be doing what I call a bubble ponytail. So I'll be using this hair. It cost like $4.50 and it was more than the other $4.50 packs. So I'm using this. I have a mini Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel. I have a mini Got to Be Glue. Look how cute this is. I also have some rubber bands, some gold cuffs like what you will wear on your braids, and a hair cap which I will wrap around, you know, my bun on my natural hair before I put on the braid. I have bobby pins and some hair ties. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put the center of my hair into one and then brush in all the sides and the back. Okay, so now I have my hair brushed in. I'm going to take the stocking cap and wrap it around the bun. I'm gonna wrap my hair first, do my makeup, and come back and do the ponytail. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am back. I have on my Shop Miss eyelashes. And yeah, when I take this off, I'm gonna have to obviously put my foundation up here. So I'll take Knuckly here. Right, so it says the twin pack. So just look at how much here is on one pack. So I still can use all two of these packs though. So yeah. Good thing they come with bigger elastics because I forgot to get another hair tie. So I am just going to split it in the middle, split both of them in the middle. And get the elastic. I like to, I just like to put my under, hold one end and just like pull it through. Just trying to secure both of them together. So yeah, so I got the hair, remember the bun, so I'm going to put it in front of my face. And secure that here and flip it over. I'm honestly hoping that is enough hair that it won't look like awful. I have another pack of hair. I'm not too sure if I want to use it though. Just need to arrange the hair. Oh, I look so sweet like this. So yeah. Okay, so I have secured this one pack of hair together. Like I said, this is an attempt video, okay? So I think I can need the other pack because at the top it's not like really covering my bun. So let me get the other pack. Okay, now I have two together. And I'm going to do it in the bubbles and get back to you guys because trying on my hair straight off ain't working. So yeah, alright guys, So I am back. I tried my best. I think I can trim the ends a little bit, so yeah. So putting it on now, because foolish me didn't put all two hairs together. Still have them separate. Put it in front of my face. Like secure it a little bit more. And then flip it. Ooh, that's heavy. That is heavy. And then I'm going to have to use some bobby pins to really like keep at least the first piece on to my hair. Okay, so I think I secured it enough. It's gonna look weird, but whatever. It's still cute. And the final step is to add these onto right here. Okay guys, and that is it, I guess. Yeah, look, can I get it? So I have my gold and my braid. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching me attempt to do my hair. I am not a hair person whatsoever, but still thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.